Can you hear me at the back? This gets the prize for the daftest question in public speaking. There are a few reasons, if it's not obvious to you. Number one, if a person can't hear you at the back, they can't hear you asking that question. Number two, if a person can't hear you at the back, but they can know from your body language and maybe lip reading that you're asking that question, they may be embarrassed to answer because hearing impairment still carries a certain amount of embarrassment and shame around it. And thirdly, if a mic is being offered to you, it's a wonderful indication that you need to use it. A lot of people don't go to the trouble of providing microphones, so if it's there, it's because the space is big enough and it will help you to be heard. Now, I don't think anyone refuses a mic because they're thoughtless or selfish. I think maybe they're embarrassed because they think they're bigging themselves up if they use a mic. But actually, using a mic is an act of service to your audience. So when I was at a meeting last week and the person up front said, "Can you hear me at the back?" I said, "No, I can't," and allowed myself to be the embarrassing person that said that, even though clearly I had heard him, because I wanted to represent that invisible disability of being hard of hearing. So do yourself a favor. Don't ask a question like that. And if you're offered a mic, take it. And if you're not sure how to use it, just practice a little bit beforehand and do a bit of a tech check so that you can get comfortable with it and ask the person supplying it if there's any tips or tricks on how to use it effectively. Or you can read about it in Breathtaking Communication, Tools and Techniques for Everyday Leaders, available on Amazon in an Audible book, hard copy, or on Kindle. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you all heard me from the back or read the subtitles. Thank you for being here. Thank you for engaging, and I'd love to hear your comments and if you can beat that for a daft question.